So obviously my eyes are telling me this is not a saw. So what am I looking at here, Vince?
This is our 426 HEPA. It's a general cleanup dust extractor. You've got a lot of attachments. You can use it for general cleanup. A lot of guys use this on retaining walls to clean off the fines and particulates so they have good solid block-to-block contact. It's 190 CFM, and what that means is you can use up to a 7-inch wheel on it to be OSHA compliant. So for grinding or cleaning or cutting.
So I see something unique here. I've got my power cord, which is plugged in, but your implement is hooked into here.
It's into there. What's what we call a tool minder. If you'll notice here on the switch, we have an auto with a cord. That means we're plugging in here. So when I start this, it will start the vacuum and the tool. And when I release the tool, it will run for an additional 10 seconds to pull up any residual dust through it. So like if you're using,
cool.
You know, for grinding or whatever.
But if I'm using it standard, I simply just switch to the...
Correct.
Okay. I'll put it back on auto and I'm going to let you demonstrate how that works.
We'll give it a whirl and see what happens. On the HEPA vac, there's a reason it's called a HEPA vac, because we actually have a HEPA filter back here. But in front of that is our filter. You get 98% of your particulates go in through the cyclones in the containment. We have a patented flap that covers the filter, so only the smallest particulates get into here, and then beyond that is the HEPA filter. So it's 99% efficient through containment fulfillment, so which is a big deal. Because on most vacs, when you start, you begin to lose efficiency immediately because the filter starts clogging up. Because we're bypassing it with our system design here, this remains efficient all the way through.
And I can speak from experience because we've run this unit several times on several of our large OLM projects. And again, we've never had any issues as far as it being backed up and not vacuuming up any dust. It's always worked to its peak performance.
And you notice the design of it. We have the valve covers in the back, the manifold in the top, and the 426. It's a Hemi, but it's a HEPA.
You can sign up for our tip of the week here.
Or you can watch more of our videos here.
You can subscribe to our YouTube channel here.
And make sure you shop our products at pavetool.com.
If you're located in Canada, you can shop at pavetool.ca.
Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching. Looking forward to seeing you next Friday.